This is the Perfecto under cabinet heater.
It's the perfect way to add reliable, cost-effective heat to any bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, stairwell, or any room for that matter with cabinets. It's also a heck of a lot easier and cheaper to install than in-floor heating. The built-in fan quietly pushes warm air throughout your room and can be used to warm floors directly in front of the heater.
For best results, the Perfecto is installed on the floor in the toe kick area and only requires 3.5 inches of vertical clearance and 6 inches clearance from an adjacent wall.
But let's make it simple. The space under a bathroom vanity or kitchen cabinet is the perfect spot for an installation. If possible, try to install it next to spaces where people stand for long periods of time, instead of directly in front of them. Don't worry about choosing the right model in store or online. The heater includes both a white and black grille to best suit your style and can be easily configured during installation for use with a variety of wattages and voltages to best suit your needs. And while we're talking about installations, it installs horizontally on the floor and is hardwired to an electrical circuit in your panel. It doesn't install vertically, in the floor, or get plugged into an outlet. Just be sure that your wire size, voltage, and wattage meet local and national electric code. Oh, and by the way, if you only need 450 or 900 watts, you can easily add the heater to an existing 120-volt circuit that provides power to wall outlets. The heater can be controlled with a built-in thermostat, wall thermostat, timer, or occupancy switch, as long as they're rated for use with an electric heater at your set wattage and voltage. For ease of use, we recommend using a wall thermostat so controls are right at your fingertips. Built-in thermostats will save you time during installation, but keep in mind when you need to adjust the temperature. The controls are going to be close to the floor. In case you're wondering, the heater includes a high-quality steel sheath heating element and built-in overheat protection to keep you safe and warm.
Whether you're adding warmth to an existing room or working on the new addition to your home, the Perfecto under cabinet heater stays out of your way and will keep you warm for years to come.